Hi, good morning. Bom dia. So, happy Easter. Dito pa rin kami sa Porto. So, now we'll go to the church first to hear mass, and after that we'll travel to Valenca na to start our walk tomorrow. We're still hoping na this inclement weather will end soon and we'll have a beautiful weather tomorrow when we start. So yeah, it's been raining so hard lately, but we managed to see the northern part of Portugal this past few days. Punta kami sa Braga, sa Guimarães, and yeah, we love the history, the culture, and the local foods. So yan, simba lang muna kaming family and ask for God's blessing and protection on our way to Camino de Santiago. Happy Easter, everyone! Andito ka pala kami sa tinatawag na Rotunda de Boa Vista. So ito siya. Yan, ayan. It's under renovation. Very easy to find. The rotunda has a column wherein on top of it is like a lion na stepping on an eagle. So, ayan siya. And later on, we'll have maybe breakfast. They said there's a good restaurant here, but still closed, I think, because it's Sunday and holiday. So hopefully makakita na kami ng bukas mamaya. Kailangan i-check mo lagi ang oras mo dito sa pagkain because they have siesta. They will close at 3 o'clock, open later around 7 or 8 o'clock. They also have this I think nabasa ko rin on weekends they close as well, no? Iba yung timing nila. So yeah, we're a bit nervous, but we're praying we can make it. Carlo wore already his knee support as well as me, no? May knee support na rin ako sa right leg ko as well as to my both feet kasi nga to my feet I have a plantar fasciitis, so I bought a support on it para hindi ganun kasakit pag naglakad kami ng masyadong mahaba. So yeah, okay, see you later. We'll look for the church. Bye.
Ito na, papunta namin ng Valenca. So mag-stay kami ng isang gabi doon, then tomorrow yun yung start na ng walk namin. Kaya ngayon dala na namin lahat for mga backpack, Chad and Ivan, there, and me, si Ivy sa likod. So pupunta kami sasakay kami ng train dito from Casa Musica Station going to Campana, and then Campana going to Valenca. So okay, so, babalik na lang kami ulit dito sa Porto after 1 week.
Yeah. We'll come back on April 28th. So literally when you take this walk, totoo talaga yung travel light. You need to leave those are not essentials. Kagabi nagpapa kami ni Carlo, no, but this morning we feel it's heavy, so we remove some. Kaya, but still it's heavy, but hopefully we can carry it along the way.
So sana nga magaang pa rin to after a few days.
Yes, mababawasan because of our toothpaste.
Okay, nandito na kami sa station. Mag-charge muna kami ng ticket.
alight here in Campanha. So from here, we will transfer to a new train. I think siguro yung mas malaking train yun and faster. Kasi itong sinakyan namin before is like a light rail, no? So ito, yung sasakyan namin is a bigger train. We will travel for around 2 hours to Balenca. So, oh babe, I think, yeah, Porto Campanha. So, that's the station.
Yeah, lilipat kami ng station. Ganda ng station dito, parang ano, lumang building. We're waiting now, going to Balenca. Ang estimated time ng train is 1:10. So, dito kami, nag-aantay muna. Dito, railway station. We're here in Balenca. 2 hours yung biyahe namin. Ito yung train. Okay naman, malaki. And then, nakatulog ng konti. Pero maganda rin yung view, kaya okay din kahit gising ka. Hindi naman siya nakakapagod na biyahe. Very smooth. So, here is Balenca Station. And then, hanapin na namin yung aming Airbnb. Also, marami na rin mag-start dito ng kanilang Camino. Dami ng may mga hawak na hiking stick, mga bags. Right there. Hello, morning. Today is Monday, and this is the day.
First day.
We will start our journey to Camino. We're here in Balenca. Dumating kami dito kahapon around 3 o'clock, and then we spend night here. Nag-ikot muna kami dito sa town na to. Then now we were going to Oporino. It's 20 kilometers from here. Now it's 7:45 a.m. Then we will walk around 4 to 5 hours. Kasama na dun yung mga break, pahinga. We're expecting 12 to 1 p.m. Nandun na kami sa Oporino. Ang Airbnb namin nandito sa loob ng walls, parang intramuros, kaya maganda din. So ito yung walls right there. So sarado pa yung mga shops sa likod ko. There's a restaurant. Yan. So hinahanap lang namin yung lugar papunta sa aming destination, Tutuy.
Wow.
Alright, andito na kami sa boundaries ng Portugal and Spain. So, pag nakalagpas kami dito sa bridge na to, so that is already Spain. Then, let's go. Okay. Bye, Portugal for now. Alright, guys. We're in Spain. Here. Okay. Welcome to Spain, Chad Ivan.
Spain, yeah.
Welcome to Spain.
Espana.
España. It's called España.
There's so much stickers here. Where's mango? We're in Toy now.
Where are we, Chad?
Toy.
Toy. We're in Toy. We're still starting. So maybe nakalakad kami ng 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers already. But still, we need to walk more. But, by the way, marami kayong makikitang mga ganitong klaseng arrow. Marami kayong makikita na yellow arrow. Yun yung mga nilalagay na sign papunta sa Camino de Santiago. Kaya hindi kayo maliligaw dahil I think every 100 meters or 500 meters meron, kaya just follow. At the same time, may mga makakasabay din kayo, follow lang. Walang masyadong problema. But in a weather forecast in the coming days, aaraw na sa Porto, maulan. 3 days na kami, and until now, ando sila sa likod. So far so good. Pupunta kami dito sa Katedral ng Toy. Doon daw yung papunta. And also yung sign ng Camino said this way. Dumiretso kami dun sa highway. But someone told me na dito daw.
I think here in
Kaya it's okay.
Father Gervais.
Yung katedral. Hindi pa lang namin alam kung anong pangalan ng katedral na to, but this is the way.
Another church.
Nandito na kami sa loob ng hiking trail. Wala nang bato sa daanan, mostly lupa na. Okay, punta na to ng Porino. Ito, lalakad na kami ng I think around 2 hours. Lalakad na kami. And then almost 13 kilometers na lang from here kung saan kami nakatayo papunta sa Porino. And then estimated time is 3 hours. So far so good. Ang gumanda yung weather. So masarap maglakad. Nandito na kami sa countryside. So yung paligid namin is
Sounds scary.
see, marami ng puno.
Oh, yours not. I know, because it unfroze.
Right. Per-break muna si Nakambay.
It's okay, Chad. You eat already the other.
Hi, so we're here. We already passed the half kilometer that we need to complete today. So hindi ko alam kung nasa na kami, but we encountered some pilgrims as well. So we just follow the way. Complete naman ng signages, ano, so yeah, so we follow. We just finished our rosary for Pope Francis as we learned the news of his passing. May so rest in peace, no? So yeah, so that's it. So the weather is good so far. We passed by some muddy and watery spot, but it's not flooded at all. Siguro nag-subside na after the heavy rain this past few days. But now it's just cloudy. It's perfect. It's perfect weather, no? So it's already 12 o'clock. We left Valenca at 7:45, and we have some stopovers, and we can't wait to reach Porino to have some
Watch TV.
toilet time. So we entered into a different roads, ano. We passed by industrial area. We passed by inside the forest, which is very nice also, no, to reflect. Yeah, so it's beautiful from Valenca. I think we're still in Tuy. No? We also entered some villages and see their vineyards, see their houses. Yeah, so it's beautiful. Yes.
Hi, hello. Dito na kami sa Porriño, Spain. First part ng aming Camino de Santiago. We walked 21.6 kilometer from Balenca. So kung nakita nyo, maaga kami umalis doon. And then, it's around 3:45 in Spain time. But 1 hour less Portugal. So we walk around how many hours? So we walk around 5 hours. Then kumain pa kami. Yun naman ang expected time namin na makarating dito dahil we're not really dun sa mabilis na pace. Dahil from time to time, we take
rest.
picture, we rest.
We rest,
Ito si Ivy. Oh.
Yeah, we need to take a break then kasi of course we will pass by some scenic area or take a photo of the cathedral or the churches, and also we need to have a break time because the way is, I think, kayang-kaya because we normally do it in Hong Kong, but when you're carrying certain weight, that's the difficulty, of course. So yun. So now we're here in Porriño and we're going to rest for a while, relax our feet, and hindi naman siya actually diretsong-diretso. Merong paakyat, may pababa, pero kayang-kaya.
Maganda yung daanan.
Yeah.
May town, and then may
Complete
forest, and then may river.
Complete ang
At the same
signage.
time, may mga kasabay ka. And then, yung mga signage, hindi ka maliligaw. Kasi, kagaya ng sinabi ko nung una, from, I think, every 100 meters, meron mga arrow sign na yellow, o di kaya, o yung sign ng Camino.
Yeah, but there's
So, sundan mo lang.
Yeah, but there's some signage that is misleading, ano. So you just need to follow all those signages that is yellow and that says Camino, because we passed this path na halos malapit na rin sa papasok na siguro ng Porriño yun, and we saw this sign may yellow but it's on the lower area. The other one is you need to go up. It's a bit steep. Marami din siyang na loko dun sa area na it's a train track, so we need to go back.
And also, mababait din yung mga locals. Pag alam nilang naliligaw ka,
Yeah.
tuturuan ka nila. Tatanungin ka kung Camino. Tuturo nila. Then dito yung daan. Then, doon ka sa kabila. Papasok ka doon. Papahinga muna kami. So, ngayon is afternoon na. And then later, maglalakad kami siguro sa labas. But we will take a rest first dito.
This is 8 p.m. Yes, p.m. This is 8 p.m. and it's still very bright. It's 8 p.m. and it's still very bright. Time zones are weird.